Good morning, everybody. And for period 6 and 7, good afternoon. Hope you're having a good day on this rainy Tuesday. Hope you had a great 3-day weekend. We're going to try something a little bit different today because over the next several weeks, I'm going to be in and out every once in a while, and you're going to be having some guest teachers, aka substitute teachers. I did get some reports the last time that I was gone that, there's a spotty coverage and sometimes there might not even be somebody in the room at all times. And I want to make sure you guys can still continue with business as usual. So each class is going to have a couple of different class captains that are going to be getting things going and making sure that, like it says, the projector's on with the warm up and this video. I'm going to have a video every single day. So on It's Learning, you'll see a video like this that will kind of have me going through maybe less than 5 minutes as far as what we're doing for the day. So those class captains are going to be really important to be able to help out the sub and make sure that things are going. If there is a video like some sort of a film or something like that, then they'll be the one that will be running that video and stopping it when the answer to the video guide comes up. I don't want to have a situation like it sounds like we did where everybody's trying to fire up the video on their own device because, as you know, that clogs up the bandwidth. So those class captains are going to be really helpful to make sure that we can still continue things business as usual. So we're going to practice it today. And here's what I'm going to do. The class that completes this warm-up in the shortest amount of time will receive a piece of Halloween candy tomorrow. So I've got Halloween candy, bunch of Starburst, we got some Whoppers, we got a bunch of different stuff. So the class that's able to do the warm-up, you need to hit the timer for 3 minutes, give everybody a chance to be able to do the warm-up, go through and choose a couple people for each question to be able to answer the warm-up, and then I will stop the timer. So I'm going to make sure that things are just, as it would be if I wasn't here. So you're going to be starting with the computer and the projector turned off. I mean, the computer will be on, but you'll have to find everything. So, all right, guys. So let's see which class is able to do this. Thank you very much for helping out, especially to those class captains and to everybody. Really appreciate it, guys.